Let us now welcome Mr. Sunil Lidkar. He is currently positioned as National Business Manager for Steel Solutions in India and SAARC for Trimble Solutions India. He is a mechanical engineer with masters in marketing management with sound technical knowledge and business acumen. He is responsible for strategic planning and expansion of the structural steel construction segment in key areas including India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Mr. Sunil today will speak on transforming PEB structures through digital construction. So let's welcome Mr. Sunil.
My topic today is how to transform re-engineered building, the fabrication, the modeling, and the construction process digitally. Because nowadays we are using a lot of papers, which slowly we are turning towards digital way. But today's sessions we are looking, how easy it is to go from modeling, fabrication, construction, as well as erection. How we can aid into various erection process, because that is very, very critical for timely delivery of projects. So let's start with today's presentation of mine. So my content, I'm keeping it short in terms of introduction of Trimble, what Tekla as a solution, as a software delivers to the industry, and how we are capable to deliver quickly, cost-effective, error-free pre-engineered buildings. So coming back to Trimble Inc. Believes in transforming the way the world works. We don't want people to or ourselves to do day in, day out the same process as usual. So how we can transform? At Trimble, we have been in business crafting confidence for 40 years. Our core principle is innovation. Actually, we look into innovation. So that's our core principle. And from there, our success is equal to our customer success. So we are not happy when we are happy. Our customer is our happiness, and it flows, that's the parameter I think we should judge our success. If the customer is successful, definitely we will be successful. So financially, we are strong enough. We are listed in NASDAQ. We are 3.15 billion company. The great part is we have a strength of employees globally, with presence in 40 plus countries. And our customers is spread across 150 plus countries globally. Why we are so successful is we have a fantastic research and development capacities in various countries. In fact, we have our R&D centers in 15 countries, and we have invested heavily into that with 2,000 plus active patents in our name. So that tells the story of our success. Our core industry is geospatial, transformation, agriculture, and construction. We are not, as I said earlier, we are not happy what we are doing. We want to grow. So we are also addressing emerging industries like railways. In India, we are seeing lot of metros, lot of new railway lines laid up. We have forestries due to various things happening into global. So forestries is also very, very important globally. Water, electric, and field service management. That's the emerging industry. So we actually are into construction phase. And what we do, we are into operate and manage, utilize, plan, concept, design, and engineering, bid, fabricate, and construct. So if you see, the role of Tekla starts from concept, design, and engineering, bid and award, and fabricate and construct. So that's what we will be discussing. So let's go through what we have in terms of Tekla solutions. So for Tekla solutions, we engineering divisions, engineering organizations like EPCs, pre-engineered metal building fabricators, or a fabricator like JSSL are our customers. We do design analysis, concept design, and detailing. The construction are also our one of the biggest customer. Likewise, the detailing and fabrication industry, which is more in India as compared to other part of the world, because if you name the market projects in the world, I'm sure most of the detailing are done in India, engineering and detailing for sure. And to support this, we have a very, very good foothold in education industry as well, because we need good manpower capable of delivering tomorrow's projects. So we deliver truly constructible models, that is with LOD 450, which is level of development. So that model will carry more and more details, cover the whole structural workflow and structural beam for all materials. So material and workflow is managed, and we have open beam approach. Let's say, for example, if you want to collaborate with third party BIM or model or 3D model. So we can do it very, very easily. We have that capability to seamlessly adapt to various machineries or MEP or any other 3D model. So that before starting fabrication or construction process, we are well aware if there is clashes, and we can take the measures to avoid that clashes. We have model, we can take it to field through AI and AR, VR as well, because that's the upcoming trend which we have seen in the industry, and collaborate efficiently with all those without any data loss. Further to this, we are very close to the customers with all local supports within India as well. So how difference is Tekla from other? So if you see on the right side of the screen, there is a Tekla 3D, sorry, not Tekla, but a 3D CAD model, which is consisting of a model, which we name, this is a wall, this is MEP and all those things. But if you see at the left hand side, that model carries all the details. So that's basically what we talk. We are talking about BIM model. BIM is just not a model. Sorry, it's not a block which we are just building, but it's a data rich model which carries all the information, materials, profiles, walls, connections, other traits. That is a collaboration with MEP or equipments. If we have rebars, layouts, and formwork, so everything will carry into that model, and what we are getting it a truly constructible model. So you can see this images. This image is actually superimposed on site. So this is how your site will look once you deliver model to a project through Tekla structures. Whether it is steel, precast, cast in place, timber, aluminum, we can deliver all the projects with any material. And what products we have? We have Tekla structures, truly collaborative software known as Tekla model sharing. We have Tekla structural designer for design, Tekla TEDs for calculation, documentation, Tekla Power Fab for fabrication integration, and Trimble Connect, where we can actually take this model to owners, project stakeholders as well. So you will get a real time information about the projects. So we have Tekla Warehouse, something similar to App Store, what we have in iOS or Google. Tekla downloads, user assistance, and all those things. So why we are very, very successful in the market? Because of our services. Our services is our backbone for our customer, because that keeps customer happy, and project are delivered on time. So Tekla structures, we have already seen that, it's a LOD 450 capable model, all materials, project types for every phase of the projects, and it comes in 17 languages and 32 environments. So today or tomorrow, if you are delivering global projects, you need not worry. Your software is already capable to deliver those. So coming to our core topic of for today, that is Tekla structures for pre-engineered building. So technology is evolving, projects are evolving, the requirement and expectation of owners or customers are evolving. So you need a capable product, and this is our our customers, happy customers, I will say, uh, um, uh, uh, utilizing Tekla capability of Tekla structure software to deliver their projects. So how they are delivering their projects? Because it's just not you're building all the models at a one go, but we have a data rich library. You just have to pick and drop. So it's not that you're constructing all the lines, arc, and circles. No, we are not doing lines and arc and circles. We are actually playing around with columns and beams and stiffeners, nuts, bolts, and all those things, which is actually an engineering part which are using on daily basis. So here you can see, the tapered sections, the splice joint, various type of frames, the knee joint, everything is automated. You just select what you need, pick, give the parameters, and drop into the model. That's how simple it is, and build your own connections without programming. Okay, there are certain things which might not be there in the library. Most of the things are already there, but still you can definitely build your own connections as well. That's the beauty of the software without any programming knowledge. So this is one of the example of PEB member. We can say, where there are three number of depths, how you can do it, various combinations, how you can apply, and just drop into the model, and you can get benefit out of it. This is one of the example of base plate. Similarly, the splice connection in detail, what we can see, and everything you can save. So this is not a one-time thing, and you have to repeat doing all the same things. So if you have a standard splice connections built in your key in your values, save as just as Excel, save as XYZ1, and you can, once you load that XYZ1, all the parameters will be loaded automatically. And this is applicable for all the connections, not just price, but every connections, whether it be knee joint or any other connections. It's that simple. So you are actually with projects, ongoing projects, you are building your own library as per your company specifications. So this is the toolbox for cold road sections and sheeting as well. So if you want to do the cold road sections with the software, it is already available within the software. These are the Perlin and runner slide for the secondary members. So you can definitely build that secondary members as well. And using this, these are some of the sample projects what industry has delivered successfully. So if you see this particular model by Richa, this model by Tata BlueScope Steel for GE India Industrial Shed. So this is as built 1:1. So if there is zero error in this model, which you can definitely cross checks and do that without zero errors, the site will replicate zero error. So there is on-time delivery of the project, benefit of cost and saving of material as well, which is cost growing. The cost is growing year over year, month over month. This is what the building looks like, G Industrial Shade. This is the internal part. This project is done by Zamil Steel for Lucknow Indoor Stadium. Look how complex the project is. It's entire curvature project in the roofs, but it is easily delivered and on time delivered. If you see this river project as well, it's third PEB frame, which is very, very, very tough, and it was delivered for Ambient Controls Private Limited. See the complexity. So these are the output from Riva Car Showroom. We have taken this complex project to show you an output, and you don't have to draw this single part drawing or a assembly drawing or a GA drawings. Everything is automated. You need not worry about this output of the project. And if you are sharing, so let's say for example, there are a number of PEB companies wherein their fabrication facility is somewhere in remote part of India, and their design and detailing office might be in a city. So definitely they can easily share between different teams flexibly, and it is at a very low cost tool and very easy to share model over the net, over the cloud, we can say. Okay. And to further make fabrication process very, very easy, we have Tekla Power Fab, which can manage entire EPM process of a fabrication unit, that is estimation, production, management. Everything can be done. So once your model is detailed, fabrication drawings, you can feed in that fabrication drawings into Tekla Power Fab, and it can take care of your production, your estimation, your inventory. Everything can be processed. If you have a nesting software, it can collaborate with the nesting software as well. So that way you can maximize your inventory as well. So there will be less and less wastage in your inventory, and all the information will be real time. So that's the beauty of the product. So you can do model visualization, estimate, manage projects, purchase as per the estimation and inventory. You can go for purchasing and do the material optimization. It can link to the shop floor because you can link it to CNC and check out the output. You can do the shipping as well. So shipping and site management can be easily done into the software, and anybody having this software can access the data at ease through mobile, through laptop, on-site, off-site, anywhere you want. And then we have one more software, that is Trimble Connect, wherein all the stakeholders, just not a design, detailing and fabrication unit, but owner can also view the model. Owner can also see what is the progress of the of the office project in a real-time way, and data rich environment. So he can also access that project. So that what we have. So overall, what we have seen today is manage your entire fabrication process in one easy to use software suite. So you need not to go for any third party or any other software which cannot suit your existing detailing and fabrication environment. So it's a single software suite. Achieve better productivity, better decisions, and reduce errors. So that is important, the productivity part and reduction of error, because it will save lot of materials over and cost associated with it. Visualize, communicate, and share. So whatever information you have from design, detailing, fabrication, erection, you can share with everybody, in fact, with your accounts as well as inventories as well. So you are not delivering on a single project. The tool is so powerful that you can do multiple projects as well and integrate easily with industry leading software. So that is one of the core strength of the software, I can say. So take full advantage of 3D beam model, I can say, from Tekla structures to Tekla Power Fab. That is from design, detailing to fabrication process, and then to erection as well. That is site management. So thank you. If you have any questions, definitely you can reach me at sunil.lidkar@trimble.com, and my mobile number is also shared with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil, for the detailed talk on transforming PEB structures through digital construction.